That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
I'm Oliver Wight. It happened on a larger scale. You see, when scheduling doesn't work very well, we don't have a foundation to build a company game plan on.
There is a process, we call it the proven path, which has been proven to be the fastest and the most certain route to Class A.
Let's talk about the evolution.
At Oliver Wight, our approach is to really focus on knowledge transfer and enabling companies to successfully implement and sustain the process over time themselves. So we like to say our job is to get rid of ourselves.
I think the most useful thing for delegates today was having the time out of their day-to-day world, which can sometimes be quite focused on the short term, to think about the longer term.
What I love best about my job is and I feel I really make an impact on people within an organization. And business excellence, people are smiling and they're going happily to work because they know they add value every day instead of just firefighting and surviving.
I would describe the process working with Oliver Wight like it's very hands-on. I would say it's important to have trust in the communication, and also I think it's a good foundation having business leaders having their own experience from their own careers.
So at Oliver Wight Asia Pacific, we're all about helping our clients improve the way they run the business, improve the outcomes they get, both organisationally and personally. Probably the biggest buzz though is when clients achieve the outcomes that they're looking for from the programs that we work with them on.
I think collectively, when we come together, it's a fantastic experience because the amount of energy, the ideas we create that really help drive our thinking, which then translates into the thinking of our clients, and that's really what helps to transform business.
That first-hand experience of creating lasting, true, tangible results through these planning processes, that's what separates us.
Happy 50th anniversary to all of you at Oliver Wight. Thank you for all the support over the years that I've been working with you, and I wish you great success for the next 50 years too.
Congratulations to Oliver Wight for completing a 50-year track record helping companies like ours to reach business excellence in their operations.
On behalf of everyone at Deloitte, I'd like to congratulate Oliver Wight on their 50th anniversary. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, 50th anniversary to Oliver Wight, my favorite consultant and I've been
Just wanted to wish Oliver Wight a very happy 50th anniversary and looking forward to the next 50 years.
Congratulations on 50 years from everybody here at Leggett & Platt.
Happy anniversary, Oliver Wight.